Sabi ko, siyempre medyo talagang kakainin ng import yung minutes because he played 45, 40, 44, 45 minutes a game. And I think naintindihan naman ng mga players ko. Now, they have the opportunity to play and yun, kumpiyansa lang. Tapos, pinagkabaho naman nila sa preparation nila sa practice. So, that's why lumalabas sa game.
Coach, this is your first 2-0 start since 2024 Commissioner's Cup. Nag-7-0 kayo, nag-finals kayo, and All-Filipino 4-0 in 2021 Philippine Cup. Good sign ba to, Coach?
Parang aga pa. But yeah, of course, a good sign. Hopefully we can do that again. But we just try to take it one game at a time, and we will prepare for our next game, which is I think with San Miguel. And then very malaking game na naman ito para sa amin. And yun lang, we're not thinking about ito muna, siguro one game at a time lang muna.